Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a lot to go through. We've got updates into the crypto market. That is a huge price prediction coming out from Pantera Capital CEO. That crypto is going to smash through, and I should say Bitcoin is going to smash through a $3 trillion market cap, which again will happen. It's inevitable. We've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Yes, XRP has emerged as literally the only coin with regulatory clarity, which is crazy. We've got an update on the trial from the SEC vs Ripple lawsuit. Pepe, some suspicious things going on. The network, which is crazy. Bitcoin transactions and fees cost less than a Big Mac. How good is that? McDonald's is getting quite expensive at the moment if you haven't had it for a while. Dogecoin, we've got updates in relation to that. Obviously, we've got Doge Millionaire, Slum Doge Millionaire. We've got updates in relation to what he did in the last bull market. We're going to have a look at that. Obviously, we've got a lot happening with Australia, and one exchange in particular is moving to PayPal. Interesting. We've got Australia's central bank digital currencies now working on one of the banking coins. And of course, we've got ARK Invest as well now applying for an Ethereum ETF. Huge. And I'm also going to be going through my crypto day trading bots, which are in the Patreon, guys. And yes, it's making some nice gains today. So there's a lot to get through. Let's get into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, formalities are out of the way. I'm getting straight into this community tab today. Now, we have breaking news for XRP. Check this out. XRP is making waves. Coinbase Pro is gearing up to add the XRP USD pair, which is bullish. And the Governance Index Committee has given the green light, confirming XRP's traded volume and order book depth are now top notch, and re-inclusion in the Coinbase XRP Liquid Index by August 24th. That is like today in the United States. Crazy. And guess what? Programmatic sales to the public and even Ripple Labs employees are a go. The future is bright for XRP. Very, very bullish right there. Now we have crypto. Have you followed my Instagram? Okay, now again, I've had so many fake accounts on Instagram. It's crazy. And literally my account has got all of the story highlights on it. That is the official link. Go follow me on Instagram. Would mean the world to me. And if you do actually follow that, comment, and I will talk about you on the next video. Literally, I'll go through every single one of you to say thank you, because I need to get this Instagram back up and running proper, because there's so many fake accounts getting, scamming my followers, and that's really annoying. Anyway, we have XRP, and I should say BRICS, officially abandoning the US dollar for trade settlements, which is interesting. Yes, this is my day trading as of 19 hours ago, 202. I'm going to show you that again today, because it's going quite nicely, and I think you might want to have a look at it, guys. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. Now, this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below for this, because they are an official partner of the channel, so please feel free to use it. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, and of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, prices, Aussie dollars on this exchange. Everything else is set to US dollars, all right? Just clarifying. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 41,000 Australian dollars, Aussie dollars, monopoly money. Ethereum's at $2,600 today. XRP's at 83 cents AUD. We have Cardano at 42 cents. Doge is at 10 cents. Solana's at $33. You got DOT at $7.10. Hasn't moved much. Matic is at 87 cents, which is bullish. Shiba Inu as well. I'm still holding on to that, guys. Litecoin, $103. We have BCH. I am day trading that at the moment, doing quite well. XLM here at 19 cents. Chainlink is at $9 as well. Hedera at 9 cents. This one has calmed down quite a bit. It was pumping, obviously, because of the Fed Now announcement. I'm still bullish on it. ICP is at $5. Moving down, we have VeChain at 2 cents. Quant is at 160, which is nice. I mean, this during the bull market was well over 400 Australian dollars. Let that one sink in for a moment. Optimism, $2.49. Definitely bullish on this, guys. I might add this in the portfolio this weekend. We'll see how we go. ALGO's at 15 cents. XDC, 8 cents. We have Axie at $7.76. Now, moving down, we have Theta at $1. I was buying Theta at $14. Can you believe it? NEO, I was buying this well higher than this, in the $20 range, guys. $11 today. Gala is at 3 cents. Now we have Casper at 5 cents. IOTA is at 23 cents. CFX is at 19 cents. And of course, I'm very bullish on Reef and XYO. They are available on Coinspot, which is nice as well. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my day trading bots with leverage, my futures grid bots. All the setups are in here, my indicators, the news before I go live on the channel. I just put up a whole heap of stuff in there as well just before. And my favorite thing, which is dividend investing. Again, it's very boring, but it's providing cash flow every single month, and I'm slowly seeing it grow as time goes on. It's very, very less volatile than Bitcoin, to say the least. Anyway, I've got 1,081 posts in there, and now I'm going to show you another official partner of the channel, which is OKX. Great exchange, in my opinion. They also sponsor the Formula One. How good is that? Anyway, this is my actual OKX account. I'm up $140 on the day, up 1.26%. On the week, I'm still up 98%, $6,000, which is nice. On the month, I'm still up 403%, $10,000 on the month, which is just crazy. In the last 6 months, you can see here 498%, which is just crazy. Anyway, I have set up the bots, and yes, I did get liquidated because I'm trading with leverage. Now, I do not recommend doing this because it's really risky, and I've been liquidated because we've had so many crashes this week. It's ridiculous. Anyway, you can see I've got 47 positions opened up at the moment. I am down on this one because it's a long position here. It's opened up with the bots because I've got 2 of them set up on a long and a short, so trading both ways using an RSI indicator. Obviously, the short position will be triggered when the RSI is above the 70 level, and go on TradingView. You can see this yourself, and obviously it'll open up a long position when it's triggered on obviously below the 30 level on the RSI indicator, and that's how it works. So again, you can see right here a couple of positions. I'm up on Bitcoin, which is nice. TRX, a couple of perpetual contracts on OKX, which is cool. There is a lot of positions opened up here. A couple of them are in profit. Now, I want to show you obviously the history of these because, again, it actually works quite well. And if I go to the history, let's have a look here, guys. So these were all closed out, started on the 23rd and ended on the 25th, which is today of August. You can see all the profits being made. As you can see right here, yes, these are all closed out. You can see it's all in profit. Now, there are a couple of losses here, but that does happen when you're trading. Of course, it's a given. Now, I've got these these bots in the Patreon set up to a 1% taking profit level. And as you can see, it's just made gains. I'm not making this up. This is my actual account. Have a look at it, right? These are all the trades that occurred from the 24th to the 25th. Obviously, a couple of positions were opened up on the 23rd. So, yeah, it takes it automatically. A lot of winning trades. I actually haven't checked this today. This is the first time, so I'm doing it on camera. How good is that? So there you go. There's one loss. That was opened on the 23rd and closed on the 24th. I was down 8 USDT on that one. But small profits. Small profits. And there were a couple of big ones, which is really good. And I can show you those in a second. Let me just go here and just go P&L high to low. You can see the profit and loss is huge on these. But, I mean, it's like 13 USDT, 6, 20... we got here on the 30th of June. Obviously, these were big ones taken. Obviously, you can see right here 10. You can see right here 1, 2 USDT, profit and loss 29 cents. I mean, it just adds up. That's the whole thing, guys. So again, go check it out. It's in the Patreon. And this is my actual portfolio. And again, I'm just leaving this run. And it's actually going quite well. So link is below. Join up, guys. You will not regret it. Now, crypto bubbles on the day. We've got a sea of red. Literally, there's probably, one green coin, and that's Whitebit coin up 0.5%. There's a lot coming out with the Federal Reserve, so again, that is affecting all markets. Has been for a while. Even my stock portfolio was down, which is really freaking annoying. But anyway, there are some incredible buying opportunities here, like XLM down 4.9% to 12 cents. We have Litecoin as well, guys. I'm still bullish on this, down 2.4% at 64 US dollars. Solana is a gem, in my opinion. I'm wanting more of this. I basically did some predictions yesterday on Solana. And obviously, at the peak of the bull market, it was nearly 400 Australian dollars for Solana at the peak of the bull market, which is just ridiculous when you can accumulate these. Not financial advice, guys, by the way. 20 USD is insane. Insane. Anyway, if Raoul Pal's prediction is going right, it could soar to Ethereum levels, which would be around about the 1,600 US dollar mark, which is just crazy when you think about it. Anyway, there are some buying opportunities, of course. We've just gone through Solana. We've gone through Litecoin. Casper as well, I'm very bullish on, guys. 3 cents USD at the moment, down 2.2%. Where is our favorite coin? Can anyone see it? This is like, where's Wally, man? Where is it? Where is XRP? XDC is, no, not BSV. Get out of here. XDC, guys, at 5 cents, which is nice. At up 6.6%, or down, sorry. Hedera down 3.5% to 6 cents as well. And XRP, I must be going blind here. I can't freaking see the thing, man. Let's have a look here. I can't see it. I actually can't see. I can see Quant. No, can't see it. There it is. Found it. 2.1%. It's down to 51 cents USD. Very, very nice, guys. And if I go all time in the last year, I should say, it's still up 54%, which is nice. Long term, guys, long term. Now, moving on to this bullish article, we have a black swan has primed crypto for a $3 trillion Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP price bombshell, and which is crazy. And we've got, obviously, Dan Morehead, the influential founder of crypto investment company Pantera Capital, has called Ripple's claimed XRP legal victory a positive black swan and said that he expects the Bitcoin price to climb to 150,000 US dollars during its next 4-year halving cycle, something that would give Bitcoin a market cap of around $3 trillion. That could be a positive black swan that we're all concerned about right now. And the next shoe to drop could be a nice thing. Morehead said during a Bloomberg Invest panel in his comments shared on the Pantera letter to investors, everybody ignores black swans until one happens. Then all everybody wants to talk about is the next shoe to drop. I would say the biggest surprise is that we already had all of these massive shoe drops last year, and it'll be nothing crazy happening. But if you make me say something, I would say regulatory clarity is one thing nobody's expecting. And I agree. And he went on to argue that next year's Bitcoin halving, which will see the current Bitcoin reward paid to miners cut by half, will cause the price to rocket to almost 150,000 US dollars. Crazy. And the next halving is expected to occur on April 20th, 2024. And since most Bitcoins are now in circulation, each halving will be almost exactly half as big as a reduction in new supply. Morehead wrote, if history were to repeat itself, the next halving would see Bitcoin rising from 35,000 US dollars before the halving and 148,000 US dollars after. Is anyone actually paying attention to this? Crazy. Ripple XRP emerges as a sole asset with regulatory clarity. And of course, very, very bullish. In a rapidly evolving crypto landscape, XRP emerges as a promising beacon, especially after the tweet from E-Ray Crypto. This tweet underscores the renewed enthusiasm for XRP, even amidst growing skepticism, and underestimates the past of the crypto community. Recently, I've observed members of the XRP army, bullish on the army, guys, reinvesting antiquated videos and predictions, attempting to correlate XRP's triumph with the performance of a Coin A and Coin B. This indicates lack of understanding regarding the true. Have a listen to that, obviously, on Twitter. I'm going to retweet that later on today. Now, anticipation is building regarding a potential remarkable upswing in XRP's value, reminiscent of 2017 market dynamics. While this prospect might seem nebulous right here to some, those in the know recognize the immense promise XRP holds for the near future. Agreed. Agreed, guys. Agreed on that. Now, a trial date revealed as 3 lawyers from the SEC's legal team quit the case. And the SEC has lost 3 attorneys, obviously from its legal team, amid the news of the federal judge has scheduled a trial for the remaining arguments in the case with Ripple Labs. It is notable development that most likely XRP suit trial was revealed, obviously, for the second quarter of 2024. And in a recent update, obviously, on formerly Twitter X, obviously, well-known business journalist Alan Tarrant brought attention to the recent development involving the SEC's case against Ripple. According to Tarrant, the SEC shared an important document with Judge Torres, the District Court of New York, which disclosed a window of trial availability in the second quarter of 2024. The regulatory agency is available for XRP trial proceedings during the months of April, May, and June 2024, with the exception of April 15th, 19th, May 1st and 7th, and May 27th to 31st. Which again is bullish. Notably, the legal team for Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen informed Judge Torres of their unavailability for the trial April 1st and April 14th. Thus, the trial is expected to commence April 20th. Very interesting. Next year, Pepe updates as well. Changes allegedly made to Pepe's smart contract. According to the last-minute development, the number of signatures required to make changes to Pepe multi-sig right here wallet has allegedly been reduced to 5 to 2. There are no definitive confirmation about the development yet. Interesting. Why are they doing this? Anyway, very, very interesting. Could there be a rug? I don't know. That's why I'm only trading. I don't hold it. Anyway, Bitcoin transaction fees cost less than a Big Mac. And I love McDonald's, but again, try not to eat it because it makes you sick. Anyway, troublesome period for high fees of Bitcoin transactions. The network has steadily kept its costs in the last 2 months at an average lower than what it would cost to users to buy a Big Mac in the United States, which gives users more predictability and affordability while sending and receiving Bitcoin from one address to another. Interesting. Now, we've got Dogecoin as well. Would trade at this price if it hits its all-time high in the market cap right now. Dogecoin reached an all-time high of 73 cents USD on May 8th, 2021. That's when I cashed out some profits and put it into Bitcoin. All-time high market cap of $88.8 billion on the same day. Dogecoin had a fixed issuance of 5 billion Doge per year, causing the yearly inflation rate to go lower over time. However, even with the diminishing inflation rate, Doge is still highly affected by its supply inflation model. Considering data retrieved by Finbold on August 24th, that is today in the United States and yesterday in Australia, with the current circulating supply of 140 billion Doge, by present time, 1 Doge would be worth close to 63 cents and 10 cents, 13.7% less than its price of the all-time high in the US dollar 2 years ago, meaning that Dogecoin constantly needs an increased demand to meet the historical prices with lower supply. I'm still holding my Dogecoin. Now, we've got the Dogecoin millionaire as well, which is just crazy. Anyway, basically, this is what happened. The recent case of one, obviously, once Doge millionaire who has seen his worth of his holdings fall from almost $3 million to $50,000. He's still holding, and he's still bullish on it. Dogecoin has come a long way since the creation as a joke. Crypto saw the value spike dramatically in 2021, making early investors sudden millionaires in the process. At the peak of its rally, Doge rose from a market cap of $1.2 billion to $75 billion in less than 5 months to reach an all-time high price of 74 cents. One of the investors, obviously, you can see right here, resident Gluber Soto, known as Slum Doge Millionaire on the social media platform X. During the rise of Doge, the investor saw his holdings reach $2.9 million and was popularly known as one of the first Dogecoin millionaires. The hype bubble since popped, and the value of his Doge obviously toppled, with the crypto now trading at 6 cents. This would see Slum Doge Millionaire's holdings now worth around $50,000. Holy shit. Wow. Moving on, we've got an Australian exchange and lists PayPal as banks close, obviously, ranks against crypto. And the new partnership offers investors an extra choice as mitigate the risks of Australian banks blocking exchanges. That's happening a lot here in Australia. And the CEO of Australian crypto exchange, Independent Reserve, says that it has turned to payments giant PayPal to hedge against increasing bank restrictions against crypto exchange payments. And the exchange has partnered with PayPal to enable on-ramp that will give Independent Reserve customers the ability to fund their crypto accounts directly with fiat from their PayPal wallet, as well as using PayPal to withdraw funds from the crypto exchange. I think that's good, because a lot of banks are doing that here in Australia. Moving on, we have an interesting update here with CBDCs. And Australia's central bank digital currencies, obviously an ETH-based CBDC pilot program, which is crazy. And the Australian Central Bank recently announced a central bank digital currency pilot program based on the Ethereum blockchain. The new CBDC has been testing by the Reserve Bank of Australia, boasts features like direct control, programmability, atomic settlement right now. And the central bank collaborated with the Digital Finance Cooperative Research Centre on the blockchain's research project again. They're coming, guys. CBDCs are coming. Now we have ARK Invest's, obviously 21 shares, join the queue to offer Ethereum futures ETF. Interesting. The co-filing comes just a week after the reports emerged that the SEC is likely to greenlight Ethereum ETF applications. Interesting. Cryptometer.io, guys, let's have a quick look at this. Then we'll go to X. Buy flow right here. We've got Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge, Solana, Shiba Inu right here is Chainlink, USDT, of course, moving all of that, which is interesting. Let's go to X quickly. There's not a lot happening on there today. And yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you to those 5,421 people. You guys rock. I'm giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs. Thank you, Wall Street Bulls. I love that name, mate. Again, that is basically telling you that Coinbase Pro is adding support for pairs XRP USD. Here is Vitalik. Thank you, Brett Hill, for this, talking about Ripple.
About cryptocurrency 2.0 being like the internet of value. We're not the internet of value. Ripple is the internet of value. We're an arbitrary processor for state transaction functions.
There you go. He's basically said Ripple is the internet of value. Saudi Arabia, guys, again, joining BRICS, which is crazy. 90% of oil-rich countries joined BRICS. The United States dollar is passed away, guys, full on. Obviously, with XRP Robinhood rumor from the insider gaining steam, XRP community is preparing for a massive pump in Q4 of 2023. Listing XRP will mean 3 out of top 5 cryptos by market cap will be tradable to its 10 million users. That is huge. Obviously, companies are shifting from the Ethereum blockchain to the XRP ledger for faster and carbon-neutral transaction and no gas fees. Wild, because those gas fees on Ethereum are crazy. Double M Crypto, obviously, this week we had the biggest Bitcoin long liquidation since more than a year. I felt it. No BS. Solana's look basically ready to go vertical right here. I agree. And thank you, Calio, for this. BlackRock owns 8.1% of MicroStrategy, which is equivalent to 12,244 Bitcoin. Larry Fink, interesting. Ripple forms a $1 trillion partnership connecting XRP to Swift. That is going to move massive amounts. And obviously the first decision of the spot Bitcoin ETF is likely to be made next week. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 41 today. It is fear. I have no idea why. Anyway, you've got Bitcoin Magazine. Bitcoin supply and exchanges falls to a 5-year low. Truth. Absolute truth. $4.8 billion hedge fund Pantera predicts Bitcoin at 148,000 by 2025. Are you guys ready for that? Absolutely crazy. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and end up on this, guys. Yes, we've got 1.05 trillion, $27 billion in volume, 48% BTC, 18% Ethereum, 26,608 cryptos. It went up 8 since last night, which is crazy. And of course, this is my portfolio. In the top 24 hours, we've got Ethereum, Electroneum, Omi, Hero, LCX, Seacoin, Reef, Gas, and XDC. I get paid gas from holding Neo, which is bullish. And of course, I've got the banking coin list right here. These are all the coins that all the new CBDCs are being built on. Cross-border payments, on-demand liquidity. It's huge. Anyway, that is the full list, and I cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. 51 cents USD at the moment. Very, very bullish. Anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you very much for sticking around. If you've come this far in the video, you rock. And again, join the Patreon. I'll be putting up some updates, of course, throughout the day. And have a good night, a good evening, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.